Boys and girls, this is the a review of the homework from 6.4, page 51. So number one, we have a triangle here. These three angles together have to equal 180 degrees. So this 67-degree angle plus this 52-degree angle is going to give me 119 degrees. So I know that those two angles plus whatever y is has to equal 180. I subtract 119 from both sides. I wind up with y is equal to 61 degrees. Same thing here with number two. I have three interior angles, and I know that together they have to equal 180. So 18 plus 26 is going to give me 44. So 44 plus whatever y is has to equal 180. I subtract 44 from both sides. I wind up with, these cancel out, wind up with y is equal to 136. Number three. So the only thing that's strange about number three is that this bigger angle right here, this angle has been broken up into two parts. But I know together, both of those parts, along with this angle and this angle, all have to be 180. So I can just write 90 plus 42 plus 20, which is this part of it here, plus this part of it there, y, all has to be 180. So 90 and 40 is 132 plus 20 is 152. So 152 plus y is equal to 180. I subtract 152 from both sides and wind up with y is equal to 28 degrees. For number four, let's see, well, a quick way we'll look at it is we could say that these three angles right here together have to equal 180 because they're part of a straight line. So I could say 90 plus 27 plus, we'll call this angle right here, we'll call it n. All has to be 180. So 90 and 27 is going to be 117 plus n equals 180. I subtract 117 from both sides and wind up with n is equal to 63 degrees. So this n equals 63. So this is 63 degrees. So now number four is really just like numbers 1 and 2. We have this triangle here, this colored triangle, so it's orange, whatever it is. And we know that the three angles together have to equal 180. So 63 plus 51 is going to be, let's give me 114 plus y equals 180. I subtract 114 from both sides. I wind up with y is equal to 66 degrees. Sorry about that. Number five. So remember, this these two angles right here, this 28-degree angle plus this 30-degree angle are considered to be opposite interior angles to this exterior angle. So remember, an exterior angle is equal to the sum of its opposite interior. So I just have to do 28 plus 30 gives me 58, and there's my answer. Same thing with this one. I know that, well, it's sort of the same thing. I know that this angle, 56 degrees, and this y are considered opposite interior to this exterior angle. So I know that 56 plus y equals 123. Subtract 56 from both sides. Minus 56, those cancel out. Y is equal to 123 minus 56. 56, I'm sorry, gives me 67. So y is equal to 67 degrees. For number 7, to find the measure of angle 1 shouldn't be that bad, because I know that the measure of angle 1 plus this 9-degree angle plus this 62-degree angle all have to be 180. So 90 and 62 is 152 plus angle 1, let's just call that n, equals 180. We'll subtract 152 from both sides and find that n is equal to 28 degrees. All right. Now, to find the measure of angle 2, just know here, if this right here is 9 degrees, then that means this right here is also 9 degrees. Now, an important thing to note here is that this is a quadrilateral, and every quadrilateral is 360 degrees. So if you just sort of forget about all this over here, just look at that, the pink part there, it's a quadrilateral. So we know that this 90-degree angle plus this 9-degree angle plus this 62-degree angle plus 2, which we're just going to call y, is going to be equal to 360. So let's add these together. 90 and 90 plus 62 is 242. So 242 plus y is equal to 360. Now I'm just going to subtract 242 from both sides and find that y is equal to 118. All right, number 8. Just forgetting about this part over here for a moment. We should be able to find the measure of this angle 1 pretty quickly, because we know that 28 plus 76 plus angle 1 has to be 180. So 28 and 76 is going, so 28 plus 76 is going to give us 104. So I know 104 plus angle 1, which we'll call n, has to equal 180. I subtract 104 from both sides, find that n is equal to 76 degrees. So this angle right here is 76 degrees. Now also, this angle right here is, let's change this to that. This angle right here is 76 degrees also, because they're vertical angles. So I could find this exterior angle just by adding up its two opposite interior angles. So 76 plus 38 is going to give us a 4 there. That's 10 plus 1 is 11, so it's 114 degrees. All right, last two. Number 9. So to find the measure of angle 2 here, this is an exterior angle. I look at its two opposite interior and add them together. 70 and 50 is 120. So that makes this a 120 degree angle. And then of course this has to be 60, because 60 and 120 is 180. And then angle 1 here and this 60 degree angle are corresponding angles. So this also is 60 degrees. For number 10, So for number 10, if you just look here, a little tricky, I guess, but if you just extend this and extend that, nope. Let's sort of draw this line down a little bit here. And you'll find that this angle, this green angle here, right, and this whole angle to this whole green angle are alternate interior angles. So that makes this green angle here is also 70 degrees. So to find this missing part right here, I just do 70 minus 43, which is 70 minus 43 is 27. All right, so this is 27 degrees. Now, if I just extend this up here, you'll find that this 27-degree angle and this angle 1 are alternate interior angles. So that's also 27 degrees. And then to find the measure of angle 2, I'm just taking 43 plus 27, which is 70. So 70 plus the measure of angle 2, which we'll call n, has to equal 180. I subtract 70 from both sides, and n equals 110. So if there's something on here, guys, that you still don't understand, just email me and I'll try to go over with you through email or make another video, or we'll figure something out, all right? But if you get something wrong, if you still don't get it, let me know.